If you're looking for a breathtaking and romantic vacation spot, look no further than Italy. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 hidden gems in Italy that will make your heart skip a beat. These are places that most tourists don't know about, but they are definitely worth checking out if you want to get away from the crowds and experience something truly special. Number 10. Venice. There is no place quite like Venice. The unique city is built on over 100 small islands in the Venetian lagoon, and it is connected by canals and bridges instead of roads. As a result, Venice has a completely different feel than any other city in the world. Visitors can explore the winding canals by boat, visit iconic landmarks like St. Mark's Basilica and the Rialto Bridge, and enjoy the relaxed pace of life. While Venice can be crowded with tourists during peak season, it is still well worth a visit. Just be sure to pack your best pair of walking shoes. Number 9. Portofino. Portofino is a small village located in the Liguria region of Italy. It is a popular tourist destination known for its picturesque harbor, quaint streets, and luxury hotels. Visitors to Portofino can enjoy a variety of activities such as swimming, sunbathing, shopping, and dining. The village is also home to a number of historical landmarks, such as the Church of San Giorgio and the Castello Brown. With its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage, Portofino is an ideal destination for travelers looking to experience the best of what Italy has to offer. Number 8. Sicily. Sicily is a unique and beautiful destination that has something to offer everyone. From its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters to its rich history and cultural heritage, Sicily is a truly unforgettable place. Visitors can explore the island's many archaeological sites, including the well-preserved ruins of Pompeii and Herculaneum, or take a leisurely stroll through the picturesque streets of Taormina. And of course, no trip to Sicily would be complete without saving its delicious food and wine. Whether you're looking for a relaxing vacation or an adventurous getaway, Sicily is sure to exceed your expectations. Number 7. Lake Como. Lake Como is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Italy. Situated in the Lombardy region, it is known for its dramatic scenery, with towering mountains and crystal-clear waters. Visitors to Lake Como can enjoy a range of activities, from hiking and cycling in the surrounding countryside to taking a leisurely boat ride on the lake itself. There are also a number of historic towns and villages to explore, such as Como, Bellagio, and Varenna. Whether you're looking for an active holiday or a relaxing break, Lake Como is sure to offer something for everyone. Number 6. Tivoli. Tivoli is a small town located in the central region of Italy. Travelers who are looking to experience traditional Italian culture will find that Tivoli is the perfect destination. The town is home to a number of historical landmarks, including the Villa d'Este, a 16th century villa that was once home to Lucrezia Borgia, and the Temple of Vesta, a well-preserved Roman temple. In addition, Tivoli is also known for its thermal springs, which have been used for therapeutic purposes since ancient times. Visitors can enjoy the same restorative benefits by taking a dip in the Acqua Albule springs. Whether you're looking to explore history or relax in nature, Tivoli is sure to offer something for everyone. Number 5. Como. Como is a beautiful city in Italy that is situated on the edge of Lake Como. It is known for its picturesque setting and elegant architecture. Visitors to Como can enjoy stunning views of the lake and the surrounding mountains, as well as a variety of historical landmarks and cultural attractions. The city center is home to several well-preserved medieval churches, while the nearby Villa del Balbinello is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the region. Como is also a great base for exploring the rest of northern Italy, with Milan, Bergamo, and Lake Garda all within easy reach. Whether you are looking for a romantic getaway or an action-packed holiday, Como has something to offer everyone. Number 4. Tuscany. Tuscany is a region in central Italy with a long history and a rich cultural heritage. The landscape is diverse, with rolling hills, vineyards, olive groves, and picturesque villages. Tuscany is also home to some of the world's most famous art and architecture, including the Duomo in Florence and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Visitors to Tuscany can enjoy the region's beautiful scenery, delicious food and wine, and wonderful art and culture. Whether you're looking for a relaxing holiday or an action-packed adventure, Tuscany has something to offer everyone. Number 3. Burano. Burano is an island in the Venetian lagoon, best known for its colorful houses and lace-making tradition. Although it is only a short boat ride from Venice, Burano feels like a world away. Visitors can wander the narrow streets, admiring the vibrant buildings and stopping to browse the shops selling handmade lace. Burano is also home to several restaurants serving fresh seafood dishes. With its tranquil atmosphere and picturesque setting, Burano is the perfect place to relax and soak up the Italian charm. Number 2. Portovenere. Portovenere is a beautiful town located on the west coast of Italy. It is known for its picturesque scenery and its historic buildings. The town is located on a small promontory, and it is surrounded by clear blue waters. There are 3 main beaches in Portovenere, and they are all very beautiful. The town also has a number of historic buildings, including the Church of San Pietro and the Castello Doria. Visitors to Portovenere can take boat trips to the nearby islands of Palmaria, Tino, and Tinetto. These islands are all very beautiful, and they offer a great opportunity to explore the area. Portovenere is a great place to visit, and it should definitely be on your list of places to see in Italy. Number 1. Courmayeur. Courmayeur is a municipality in the Aosta Valley region of northwestern Italy. It is located at the foot of Mont Blanc, and its name derives from the Latin Curimus meaning heavy mountain. The area has been occupied since ancient times, and there are a number of Roman ruins in the vicinity. In more recent history, Courmayeur became a popular tourist destination in the 19th century due to its scenic setting and proximity to Mont Blanc. Today, the town is still a popular destination for winter sports, as well as for hikers and mountaineers during the summer months. Courmayeur is also home to a number of luxury hotels and spa resorts, making it an ideal destination for a relaxing break. Thanks for watching.